Hi, good morning and all. So next to continuation, inverse trigonometric functions, objective problems. Okay, right. So here next to, so here today first question. So here in this first question, which of the following is the principal value branch of cosecant inverse x? Okay, cosecant inverse x, principal value branch of cosecant inverse x. Okay, cosecant inverse x principal value. Okay, principal value. Okay, right. So here the direct answer here. Okay, here. So here in this value is here in this value is closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 minus 0. This is the answer. Okay, right. Here in this solution here. In this solution here, principal value of principal value of cosecant inverse x. Okay, cosecant inverse x, principal value of cosecant inverse x is equal to, here this value is here closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Next one minus 0, remove 0. Okay, minus 0. Okay, this is the principal value of cosecant inverse x. Okay, so here fourth option D is the right option. Okay, okay. Next question, here in this next problem. Here in this next question, here in this next problem. So if 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi, then x is equals to okay, right. So here first take this one here in this solution here, see here 3 tan inverse x. Okay, 3 tan inverse x, 3 tan inverse x is 2 tan inverse x plus here tan inverse of x. Okay, 3 tan inverse x is 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Next plus cot inverse x. Okay, plus here cot inverse of x is equal to, here that is pi. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x value pi by 2. So taking in this side here, so remaining value, so that is 2 into here tan inverse of x is equal to here pi minus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x value pi by 2. Taking in this side here minus pi by 2. So that is 2 into here tan inverse of x is equal to, here take LCM 2 pi minus pi. So that is equal here pi by 2. Next here 2 cross multiply here. So that is equal to here tan inverse x is equal to, tan inverse x is 2 cross multiply, that is equal to pi by here 2 into 2 4. So therefore x is equal to here taking this side here, that is equal here tan of pi by 4. Okay, tan of pi by 4 value is 1. Okay, tan of pi by 4 value is 1. Okay, check answer here. Here in this B. Okay, second option is right option. Okay, second option is right option. Okay, right. Note this question. Okay, next problem. See here in this next question. See here in this next question, the value of cos inverse of 33 pi by 5. See here in this solution here. In this solution, see here cos inverse of cos of 33. Okay, 33 pi by here 5. Okay, 33 pi by 5. So here in this formula, see here in this formula. So in this formula, cos inverse of here cos theta, cos inverse of cos theta is equal to here theta. Okay, so here theta belongs to 0 comma pi. See here. So here theta belongs to 0 is less than or equal to, here theta is less than or equal to pi. Okay, theta less in 0 comma pi, closed interval. So here 33 by 5 is does not belongs to in that interval. Okay, right. So here converting into this value here. So here, so that is equal to here cos inverse of cos of 33 pi by 5 multiples of 30 pi plus 3 pi. See here 30 pi. Okay, 30 pi. Okay, plus 3 pi. Okay, 30 pi plus 3 pi by, so that is 5. Okay, see 33 pi is 30 pi plus 3 pi by 5. So that is equal to, so here that is equal to, here this is cos of here. Okay, this is cos of here, cos of. Okay, cos of, right. See here that is cos inverse of So here cos of, right, remaining value, see here 5, 6 times get cancelled, 6 pi plus, next remaining value 3 pi by, here 3 pi by 5, okay, 3 pi by 5. So that is equal to, here cos inverse of, see here cos of, here cos of 360 plus theta, cos of 360 plus theta is cos theta, okay. So here in this remaining value cos theta, so cos of 3 pi by 5, cos of 3 pi by 5, see here cos of 360 plus theta, cos theta, okay. 3 pi by 5, 3 pi by 5 belongs to in that interval, okay, in that interval, apply that formula here. So cos inverse of cos theta, cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, here in this theta value, here 3 pi by 5, okay. Check answer here. See your answer 3 pi by 5. So first option 3 pi by 5, first option, okay. Answer is right, okay. First option is right option, okay. Write this question. Okay, right. Next, see in this next problem. In this next problem, the domain of the function. See the domain of the function. See here domain. See here. So here in the solution here. See here domain of cos inverse x here. See here domain of cos inverse x. Domain of cos inverse x. Okay, domain of cos inverse x is equal to, in this domain is, okay, domain is equal to, so here closed interval, here minus 1 comma 1, okay, this is the domain, okay. X belongs to in that interval, okay, right. See here in this data, here 2x minus 1 is given, okay, 2x minus 1 is given, cos inverse of 2x minus 1, so here x belongs to, here in this x value, this one, so here minus 1 is less than or equal to, here 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to, here 1, okay, 1, alright. See here in this x value, here, see here 2x minus 1, minus 1, here adding 1 on both sides, adding 1 here adding 1, minus 1 plus 1 is less than or equal to, adding 1 minus 1 0, next time value 2x is less than or equal to 1 plus 1, okay, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, is less than or equal to, 2x is less than or equal to, that is 2, okay, right. Here 2x, okay, divided by 2 on both sides, divided by 2, so that is 0 by 2 is 0, is less than or equal to, 2x by 2 is, x is less than or equal to 2 by 2, 1, okay. So therefore x belongs to, here closed interval r equal to 0 comma 1, okay. This is the domain of the given function, okay, domain of the given function. See your answer here, closed interval 0 comma 1, first option is right option, okay, answer is right, 0 comma 1 closed interval, okay. Write this question, okay, right. Next problem, see here in this next problem, see here the domain of the function defined by f of x value, sin inverse of root of x minus 1, domain, okay, domain, right. See here domain of sin inverse x here domain of sin inverse x, here domain of sin inverse x, here domain of sin inverse x is equal to, here closed interval, here minus 1 comma 1, this is the domain, okay, right. Here square root of x minus 1, square root of x minus 1, so here in the square root value 0 or greater than 0, okay, 0 or greater than 0 square root value, okay, 0 or greater than 0, so 0 or greater than 0 means here 0 to 1 only, okay, in this value lies between 0 to 1 only, right. See here in this value lies between 0 to 1, right. So here in the solution here, in this solution, see here in this value, here 0 to, here 0 is less than or equal to, here in this function is x minus 1 is less than or equal to 1, okay, here this square root value 0 or greater than 0, so in that interval 0 to 1 only, okay, positive value, so here 0 to 1 in this value. See here x minus 1, so here adding 1 on both sides, see here adding 1, 0 plus 1 is less than or equal to, adding 1, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, x is less than or equal to, adding 1 here 1 plus 1, next remaining value 1 is less than or equal to, here x is less than or equal to 2, so therefore here x belongs to closed interval 1 comma here 2, okay, this is the domain of the given function, okay, right. See here check answer here, see here first option here closed interval 1 comma 2, okay, right, answer is this one, okay, right, okay, write this question. Okay, right. Next, see in this next problem. Say, right. See here in this problem. So this value 0, then x is equals. Here we calculate x value. Okay, here we calculate x value. See here, take given function here. See here in this solution here. See here, given equation. Here cos of sin inverse of. Okay, sin inverse of 2 by 5. Sin inverse of 2 by 5. Next one plus here cos inverse x. Okay, is equal to here 0. Cos inverse x is equal to 0. Okay. Right, so here cos taking this idea, so here in this value, here sin inverse of 2 by 5, sin inverse of 2 by 5 plus here cos inverse x is equal to, see here cos, taking this idea, cos inverse of 0, here cos inverse of 0, cos inverse of 0 value, cos inverse of 0 value is pi by 2, okay. So here cos inverse x taking in this idea, so that is sin inverse of 2 by 5 is equal to, see here pi by 2, okay, this is taking this idea minus here cos inverse of x, okay, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, right. See here in this formula, so in this formula here sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, okay, is equal to, here that is pi by 2, so that implies, right, see here pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So here taking in this idea, okay, so here sin inverse x is equal to, see here sin inverse of x is equal to here pi by 2 minus here cos inverse of x, okay, cos inverse x taking in this side, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, right, replace here. So here sin inverse of 2 by 5 is equal to, this value is sin inverse x, so that is equal to here sin inverse of x. So here comparing here both sides here, so here x value, x is equal to, here x value is 2 by 5, okay. See here, remove sin inverse on both sides, x value is 2 by 5, check answer here. So x value 2 by 5, so option B, okay, right, answer is right option, okay. Write this question. Okay, right. Next, see here in this next problem. See here in this next question here. The value of sin of 2 tan inverse 0.75 here, 0.75. Okay. So here take this one here. So in this solution, see here in this value. Okay. Here tan inverse of this one is, see here, sin of 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Sin of 2 into here tan inverse of, okay, here 0.75, okay, 0.75, okay, right. See here formula 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of sin, see here that is equal to here sin of, okay, 2 tan inverse x in terms of sin, see here 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse of x is equal to, in this formula here sin inverse of 2x by here 1 plus x square, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Apply this formula, 2 tan inverse x value 0.75. So apply that formula here. So that is equal to here sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of 2x by 2 into, okay, 0.75 by next 1 plus, okay, 0.75 whole square, 0.75 whole square, okay. So here sin inverse of sin inverse x is x. So here this total value here 2 into 0.75, okay, that is equal to 2 into 0.75 is 150, okay. So here multiply 75 into 2, 75 into 2 is 150, okay, 150. So here 150, so that is 1.5 by denominator here 1 plus, so here 0.75 whole square, 0.75 whole square, see here 75 into 75, okay, so that is equal 7 into 8, 7 into 8 is 5625, this total value, okay. So here in this total value here, so that is 0.2 here 56 here 25, okay, this total value. So that is equal to here 1.5 by adding this total value 1.56, here that is 25. Okay, so here simplify this value, use calculator. Okay, right here. So here in this total value is okay 0.96 answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Check answer here. Here 0.96 answer. C option is right option. Okay, answer is right. C. Okay, write this question. Right, next problem. See here in this next question. So here in this value, okay, the value of cos inverse of 3 pi by 2. Okay, so here in the solution here, cos inverse of here cos of 3 pi by 2, cos inverse of 3 pi by 2 is equal to, okay, right. So here cos inverse of cos theta is theta. Okay, so here cos inverse of cos theta is theta. See here cos inverse of cos theta is equal to here theta. So here in this value 0 is less than or equal to, here theta is less than or equal to pi. Okay, see here 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means here 270 degrees. 270 degrees does not belongs to in that interval. Okay, right. See here this converting here, so that is equal to here cos inverse of see here cos of 3 by 2 is equal to here cos of pi plus pi by 2. Okay, pi plus pi by 2. Okay, right. See here that is equal to here cos inverse of, see here cos of 180 plus theta, cos of 180 plus theta. Okay, third quadrant, cos is negative, minus cos theta. So here minus here cos of pi by minus cos of pi by 2. Next that is equal to, here apply cos inverse of minus x, cos inverse of minus x, formula pi minus cos inverse x, cos inverse of x, here x value, here cos of pi by 2, okay, x value, see here cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse x, x value this one, right. See here that is equal here pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 2 is pi by 2, okay. So pi minus pi by 2, pi minus pi by 2 is equal to here pi by 2, this is the answer. Okay, right, check option here. Say first option here, A. Okay, first option right option. Okay, answer is pi by 2, right. Okay, right. Write this question. Okay, next problem. So here in this next one, so here in this next question here, the value of expression 2 secant inverse 2 plus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, the value of expression. Right, so here in the solution here, in the solution 2 into, okay, secant inverse of 2 plus here sin inverse of here 1 by 2, sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to, right, see here 2 into, okay, 2 into here secant inverse of 2, secant inverse of 2 means secant 60, okay, secant 60 is pi by 3, so that is equal to here pi by 3. Next one plus, say sin inverse of 1 by 2, in terms of 1 by 2 sin 30 degrees, sin 30 is pi by 6, okay, in this value is here pi by 6, okay, so that is equal to, right, see here that this total, take LCM here, in this LCM is 6 here, so 3 2 times, okay, 2 into 2 4, that is 4 pi plus next one value pi, so that is the total value 4 pi plus pi is here 5 pi by 6, okay, 5 pi by 6 is the answer. Okay, check option here. See here B option, okay, second option is right option, okay, answer is right. Okay, okay, write this question. Okay, right, next problem. See here in this next problem, see here in this next question here, so here tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to 4 pi by 5, then cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equals to this value. Okay, right, take this one here. See here in the solution here, right, see here tan inverse x, here tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, here tan inverse of y is equal to here 4 pi by 5, okay, 4 pi by 5. So here in this formula, see here in this formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to So this value is pi by 2. Okay. So here tan inverse x value. See here tan inverse x value. Here tan inverse of x. Here tan inverse of x is equal to. So cot inverse x taking this idea. So that is pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2 minus cot inverse of x. Okay, cot inverse of x. Okay, apply this formula here. See here. So tan inverse x is pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So right here. Here pi by 2 minus here cot inverse of x. Next one plus here tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of y is equal to here pi by 2 minus here cot inverse of y. Okay, is equal to here 4 pi by 5. Okay, right. So here pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So that is 2 pi by 2. Okay, 2 pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Here minus cot inverse of x. Next minus here cot inverse of y is equal to here 4 pi by 5. Okay, 4 pi by 5. Right, here these two terms taking this side, this is taking this side here. So that is 2 to get cancelled here. Next one value pi minus taking this side here. Here 4 pi by 5 is equal to taking this side here. Here cot inverse of x plus here cot inverse of y. Okay, right. Right, take LCM here. 5 pi minus 4 pi, that is equal to here pi by 5. Pi by 5 is equal to here cot inverse x plus here cot inverse of y. Okay, cot inverse of y. So this total value is pi by 5. Okay, pi by 5. Check answer here. Pi by 5. First option here. Okay, first option is right. Okay, answer is right. Okay, write this question. Alright, see here in this next problem. See here, sin inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square, cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square is this one. Okay, so here x belongs to close to 0, 1. Then the value of x is, then the value of x value. Okay, here we calculate x value. First write here given equation here. So in this solution here, write given equation. So in this given equation is here sin inverse of 2a by here 1 plus a square. Okay, 1 plus a square plus here cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square. Okay, 1 plus a square is equal to here tan inverse of 2x by here 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. Right, see these are the formulas here. Okay, sin inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square value 2 tan inverse a. Okay, 2 tan inverse of a, 2 tan inverse x formula. Next these are same here 2. See this is 2 tan inverse of a. Okay, that is 2 tan inverse of a. These are same. Okay, 2 tan inverse a in terms of cos. Next this is also 2 tan inverse x. So that is here 2 into here tan inverse of x here, 2 tan inverse x here. Okay, 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Right, see here in this total value here 2 tan inverse a, 2 tan inverse a. Total value here 4 into here tan inverse of a is equal to next one value 2 into here tan inverse of x. Okay, right. So here 2 to get cancelled here. See here in this 2 times get cancelled. Okay, 2 times. So remaining value 2 into here tan inverse of a is equal to remaining data 2 tan inverse x. Okay, right. So here we calculate here x value. Okay, x value. See here x value. So 2 tan inverse a, 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of tan. Okay, see here 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan. 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan. So that is tan inverse of 2x by here 1 minus here x square. Right, apply this formula here. That is here tan inverse of 2x, that is 2a by 1 minus a square. Okay, 1 minus a square is equal to here tan inverse of x. Okay, remove tan inverse on both sides here. So therefore x value here x is equal to here that is 2a, here that is 2a by 1 minus a square. Okay, 1 minus a square. Okay, this is the x value. Okay, check answer here. See here 2a by 1 minus a square. Here fourth option. Okay, right. This answer is right. Okay, write this question. Okay, next problem. See here in this next question here. See here in this next value. So here the value of sine of cos inverse of 7/25, this total value, okay, this total value, okay. Right, see here in this data, in this solution here, in this solution, write this one here. So here sine of cos inverse of here 7/25, okay, 7/25 is equal to, right, see here, this is sine, this is cos inverse x, okay, cos inverse x in terms of sine inverse, okay, converting into sine inverse. Take triangle here. See here in this triangle here. So in this triangle here, cos inverse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, okay, adjacent side value, this is 7, so this value is 25, okay, 25 is 25 whole square, 625 minus 49, 524. So in this total value, this is 20 here 4, this side length is 24, okay. Cos inverse x in terms of sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, right here. So that is equal to here sine of, see here cos inverse x in terms of sine, so that is sine inverse of opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 24/25. So that is equal to total value sine of sine inverse x is x, so that is 24/25, okay, this is the answer. Check answer here. See here 24/25, so option C, okay, answer is right, okay, this answer is right, okay. Write this question. Okay, next, see here in this next question, okay. So here in this next question, see here 2 tan inverse x plus sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to, okay, this total value, okay, this total value, right. See here in this solution here, so that is 2 into here tan inverse of x plus, so here sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of here 2x by 1 plus x square, okay, 1 plus x square, this value, okay. Alright, see here this is equal to, here this value is 2 tan inverse x, okay, this value is 2 tan inverse of x plus, so sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square in terms of tan, this is also 2 tan inverse x, okay, this is also 2 tan inverse x, so 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x, total value 4 into tan inverse of x, 4 tan inverse x answer, okay. Check answer here. See here in this answer here 4 tan inverse x, option A, okay, right, answer is right, okay. Write this question, okay, right. See here next problem. See here in this problem, so here if cos inverse alpha plus cos inverse beta plus cos inverse gamma is equal to 3 pi, okay, 3 pi, so then this value, okay, alpha into beta plus gamma, beta into gamma plus alpha, this total value, okay, right. First take here given data. See here in this given data, see here in the solution here, so here in this given data, so here in this given data, see here cos inverse alpha, okay, cos inverse alpha plus cos inverse of beta plus cos inverse of gamma, here cos inverse of gamma is equal to, okay, this total value is 3 pi, okay, this total value is 3 pi. See here 3 pi, okay, this is pi, okay, pi, right. See here cos inverse alpha ending value pi, 0 to pi, okay, so here this total value is 3 pi, so here see here cos inverse alpha, okay, cos inverse alpha is equal to here cos inverse beta is equal to, okay, cos inverse of gamma is equal to pi, okay, pi plus pi, 3 pi coming, okay, right. Take any one here. See here alpha, therefore alpha is equal to, here alpha is equal to, okay, here alpha is equal to, here beta is equal to, gamma is equal to, here cos of pi value, okay, cos of pi is equal to minus 1, cos pi value minus 1, right. Replace this value, so here now, see here now alpha into beta plus gamma, okay, beta plus gamma plus beta into, okay, gamma plus alpha plus next many value plus gamma into alpha plus beta, okay, right, is equal to, replace this value, alpha value is minus 1 is minus 2, next minus 1 is minus 2, Next one value minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. See, that is minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2, plus minus into minus plus 2. So total value 6. Okay, total value is 6. 6 is the answer. Okay, right. Check option here. See 6. Okay, 6 option. Okay, third option. See, third option is right option. Okay, answer is C. Okay, right. Okay, write this one. Okay, write this question. Okay, today class finished. Okay, you also one more time listen this video. Okay, I send YouTube link. Okay, one more time listen. Okay, one more time practice all questions. I send this notes your WhatsApp number. Okay, write first notes also. Okay, you purchase one long notebook, white papers, long notebook. Okay, another notebook. Write objective problems. Okay, chapter wise. First chapter ITF. Okay, right. Today class finished. Next tomorrow continuation class. Okay.